within the what? Within the right depthness. Kasi, pag nag-perform ka guys, and then you spread the wings, make sure that you are properly, and for example, if a patient experience here, cardiac arrest, magpe-perform ka dito? Yes or no? No! Because this is not hard, this is not flat. So you need to flatten first. Yes or no? After you flatten, get a cardiac board. Advance, mabilisan lang. And that's the time that you need to perform. It is because when you perform cardiac CPR here, magpa-bounce back lang yan. Remember, performing CPR, it should be in a hard, flat surface. Am I clear? You position your patient in the hard, flat surface. Eto na. Oh, refresh to ha. Meron ako tatlo. Oh, yes. Yung projector po natin. Meron tayong tatlong tao. Ganyan ang gagawin ninyo mamaya, tatlong tao. After namin ma-refresh yung skills ninyo, gagawin nyo ulit. Guys, actual scenario tayo. Na-gets? Yes or no? Ayan na. So first is survey the scene. Doc, ano to? What is the first D? Danger. Check for the scene. Oh, scene is safe daw. Next. Check for, what is R? Responsiveness. Okay. So, pwedeng magtagalog kahit na ano sa actual scenario. So, after that, walang response. What is S? What is S? Seek for help. Okay, that's it. Am I clear? Next, what is CAM? C. Circulation. Check for pulse and breathing. Circulation, you are checking for the pulse and breathing for how long? 5 to 10 seconds. And remember this, make sure that you need to help tilt chin lip maneuver. Am I clear? Yes or no? What if your patient experience, dyan ka lang muna. What? Spread your wings in between. Dapat yung inyong shoulder nasa in between na legs. Okay, make sure. And next, no pulse, no breathing, perform CPR. Okay, so in performing CPR, make sure that your shoulder is parallel to the patient's face. Look into your patient's face and perform directly. Push hard and fast in the algorithm. Ready, go. 1. Habang nagpupush kayo, guys, nakatingin kayo sa pasyente. It is because any moment that your patient na-revive, magkakaroon yan ng ngiwi. Okay? Ayan, meron na akong tumating na BPM. Kasi, yan. Hands only CPR, so ibig sabihin continuous. Ilan ang 100 to 120. So, hindi natin alam kung may problem yung pasyente. Basta, pag hindi ka sure if your patient is communicable or not, your safety is our priority. Hands only CPR is okay. Am I clear? Yes or no? Paano hands only CPR? Go, push hard and fast.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ilan? 100 to 120 per minute. Take note that. Am I clear? Yes or no? Huy! Caregivers! Yan ang gagawin ninyo sa actual. Hindi po tayo magre-return demo sa teacher. Hindi po tayo magre-return demo sa klase. Naintindihan? Yes or no? Okay. May dumating na tutulong sa'yo. At check for the pulse and breathing. And then, Dumating na siya, maglalagay ka ng 2 rescue breath. So, remember, the C and the 3. Paghawak C and 3, tandaan nyo to. C and 3.
Bawal man.
Ayan, C and 3. To properly secure the bug mask, guys, sige, pasok. Tapos, hyperextend. And then, press. Huwag mabilis, sige. Press and then, press. There. So, allow the patient na mag-rise and fall yung kanyang chest. Am I clear? Yes or no? Okay. Talay? Ay, perfect. Sige. Perform, kung tina-challenge kayo, i-challenge din kayo. Okay? Perform the 5 cycles. Bilang!
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
5 seconds interval. 1, 2, 3, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 2, 29, 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Always remember, saan nakatingin?
14, 15, 16,
Sa patient. Kasi any moment, ang pasyente niyo po, hindi na kukumpletuhin yung 5 cycles. Am I clear? Yes or no? When to stop CPR?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
S stops. Spontaneous breathing.
19, 20, 22,
T. Turn over to the O. Yan ang gusto-gusto ko sa inyo. Marunong kayo sa theory. Sana marunong din kayo sa application. Baka mamaya pag nag-cardiac arrest, when to stop CPR?
5 seconds
S.
interval.
T. 5 cycles. AED arrive. Pag may AED, tandaan nakakapagod po mag-CPR. So ang gagawin ninyo, it's automatic na dapat mag-transfer, magpalit kayo. Huwag kang pabida. Am I clear? This is actual scenario. Am I clear? Yes or no? Okay. Do not, wait lang, sige. Do not interrupt. Continuous ang CPR while you are assessing.
If the patient is a child, press the child.
Continue habang nag-assess pa rin siya. Your AED will tell you when to stop performing the procedure. Do not stop until the AED dictates you what to do next.
Patient. If the patient is a child, press the child button.
Sige, continue.
Press pads firmly on skin. Apply pads as shown in the pictures.
Matay. Oh, may pwede bang mangyari yon? Yes. It is because, remember, ang life battery nang hindi ginagamit ng AED isang taon. At nasisira po yung tinatapon namin. So there should be a maintenance check every 4 to 6 months. Naintindihan niyo po ba? May AED nga, nag-actual scenario tayo. Pero wala pala, may sira. Nag-request ulit ng bago. Continue ka pa rin ng oh, kung ikaw pa rin guys ang nagpe-perform noon, unfortunately, mapapagod ka.
Remove clothing from the patient's chest.
It should be performed on a bare.
Press pads firmly on skin. Do not touch the patient.
That's a time.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock advised.
Shock advice.
Do not touch the patient. Everyone clear.
One I'm cleared.
Press the flashing
Clear,
shock
clear.
button.
Everybody's clear?
Clear.
Press the shock button now. Shock delivered. Begin CPR.
Okay, begin CPR. Earlier, nag-stop siya ng 3 cycles. Magkukontinue ba siya ng 3 cycles? Yes or no? Yan tayo eh. Nag-memorize na naman kayo. Actual tayo.
20,
Remember that the AED will start on the 5th cycles.
give 2,
So, ibig sabihin, start ulit siya sa first cycle. Tinuro ba yan doon? Hindi, kasi ang tinuro sa atin yung theoretical. Am I
10,
clear? Follow the rhythm.
20, 30, give 2 breaths.
Sabayan mo yung rhythm. Am I clear? All AED may mga ganyan po. Am I clear? Yes or no? So, ibig sabihin, if you notice, Ma'am Lisa is the first aid responder
30,
earlier.
give 2 breaths.
Merong bystander na tumulong sa kanya noong dumating, nagpalit sila after 5 cycle. Am I clear? And then nung in between, what happened here, when the EMS arrived, the tendency here, pagod na yung dalawa, magsa-cycle po sila.
30,
So in that
give 2
situation,
breaths.
siya naman. So wag po kayong pabida during the actual. Kasi nakakapagod po yan. When your adrenaline drops down, unfortunately, kayo po ang mapapagod. Am I clear?
20,
Yes or no?
30, give 2 breaths. Stop CPR.
Stop
Do not
CPR.
touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock advised.
Kapatid.
Do not touch the patient. Everyone clear. Press the flashing shock button. Shock delivered.
Okay.
Replace batteries.
So, ibig sabihin guys, do not remove the AED until hanggang sa ambulance. Hanggang meron siyang electrodes na pwede ipasok, ilagay doon sa area. Am I clear? Because the AED is always analyzing the rhythm. Am I clear? For how long? Every ilang minutes daw? Uy, ayan. Every 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes, ina-analyze na. So, ang nangyayari kasi, dapat makapag-perform ka ng 5 cycles in 2 minutes. Kaya nakakapagod yun. Am I clear? So, we are able to perform the shortest applicable in an actual scenario. That is your doctor's copy. What is the?
Defibrillation.
In actual tayo ha. Baka mamaya sabihin, Sir, kasi tinuro sa amin ganito, actual, survey the scene. Look up and down. Mamamatay na yung pasyente ninyo. What is the?
Defibrillation.
What is R? Responsiveness. What is S? Seek for help. What is A? C? Circulation. What is A?
Airways.
B?
Breathing.
And letter D?
Defibrillation.
Defibrillator. And that is how we teach you in an actual scenario. And after that, Sir, halika dito. Sir, uy. So what will happen here, guys? After, okay na po yung presentation. After the patient recovers, put the patient in a recovery position. Recovery position.
Side view.
Why do we need to position the patient in recovery? For safety?
Side view.
What else? Remember, if your patient, para hindi niya, malunok yung laway, kasi it may cause, what?
Ganyan yung ganyan, tapos ano?
Aspiration.
Inspiration.
So, position the patient. Sa kamay muna. Okay? The other one. So, sleeping. And then assess the patient. Am I clear? Yes or no? para lang natutulog. Sir, ano po ba away from my end towards on my end? Guys, pagka hindi nyo kaya ng kaliwa, ikanan nyo. Am I clear? Yes or no? Dyan ka. Yung isa pa. Ilapak na to. Yan.
Tulog na siya.
Sleeping Buddha. Alam mo sa Thailand? Okay, yan. Palapakan nyo naman po sila, guys. And that is how we perform in an actual scenario. Na-refresh ba? Yes or no?
Yes, na-refresh.
Guys, always remember, marunong dapat kayo mag-mouth to mouth. Sino marunong mag-mouth to mouth dito?
Ako sa jowa.
And always remember, guys, one thing that we would like to avoid kasi, you need to interlock your hands. Dominant or non-dominant hand? Dominant or non-dominant hand?
5 seconds interval yapon.
Remember this. If you are
1,
not
2, 3, 4,
trained,
1. 1, 2, 3, 4.
and if you are not a
Recovery
medical
position.
practitioner who did not experience at all, I am not allowing you or I am not advising you to perform the dominant first. Kasi pag dominant, ang problema ninyo, hindi nyo makokontrol yung pwersa nyo. The non-dominant hand, guys, will lessen the force. Kaya ginagawa is non-dominant hand. Pero kami, as nurses, doctors, the practitioners, guys, either ways, because we can control our emotions, our energy during the code. So in that situation, kayo, baka mamaya, pag ganun nyo pa lang, ganun nyo kaagad, ano nangyari? Nag-crack. So ganyan, dominant. O, lahat tayo. Non-dominant kayo. Kamay. Tapos ito. Ready? Close. 1, 2, 3, go. Kung kaya, tapos. Close. Tapos open, and then push hard and fast. Do not be a bouncer. Paano yung bouncer down? Okay, ano pa? Do not be a jerker. Massager. Ano na yung massager? Guys, totoo nangyayari yan kasi wala presence of mind during the actual scenario. Am I clear? Yes or no? Make sure that it is firm, hard, and then look into your patient then. Am I clear? Nakuha? Yes or no? Ay, ano to? Don't be, ano to? Bender pala. Bender ganito. One. Straight forward. Tingin, shoulder, tapat doon sa pasyente. Am I clear? Yes or no? Nakuha? Bouncing. Okay, thank you, ma'am. And si Ma'am Justin po ay isang faculty member from our St. Bernadette of Lourdes College. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ayun.
Then 5 blows. Blows.
Okay. Si Ma'am Lisa naman po sa rescue breath.
Okay, so good morning sa mga caregivers natin and nurses. Okay, so for our one problem na minamanage natin during the basic life support is respiratory arrest. Kanina si Doc Joe, that is for cardiac arrest, no? So no pulse, not breathing. So management is CPR, which is a combination of compression and rescue breath. How about for a patient who is experiencing respiratory arrest? Ano ba sila? Pag sinabing respiratory arrest, ano yun? Meaning, a patient is unresponsive, with pulse, but not breathing. May pulso, pero hindi siya humihina. So what are we going to give our patient? Paano natin siya i-manage? You give rescue breath. Yes. So for an adult patient, okay, we give 1 breath every 6 seconds. Yun po yung tama. Okay? May it be mouth-to-mouth resuscitation or may it be using a bag mask device. This is what you call bag valve mask. Okay? Ang tawag nyo dito ay Ambubag. Yes.
Ambubag.
Ambubag is a brand. Parang Colgate na Colgate na close up, no? Parang gano'n yung gusto nyo mangyari. But this is a bag valve mask, a device, no, used, no, during rescue breathing. Okay? So how to give rescue breath po? For an adult patient, you give 1 breath every 6 seconds. So for 1 minute, you can give 10 rescue breaths. Clear? Kasi 60 divided by 6, 10. So in 2 minutes, you can give 20 rescue breaths. So 20 rescue breaths, how to give? If you will be, okay, using a mouth-to-mouth resuscitation, alam mo, kamag-anak mo naman, no? Kakilala mo naman siya. No? So, okay lang sa'yo mag-perform ng mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. You perform 1 breath every 6 seconds. So, you start with a blow, you ends with a blow. Okay? So, okay. Wait, yung yung isang hand mo nasa forehead niya. Okay, itong thumb mo and yung yung pangturo mo, ilagay mo sa ilong niya kasi every time you will give rescue breath, you will pinch the nose. I-release mo kapag may every intervals of 6 seconds, okay? Always open the airway when you give rescue breath. Kasi hindi ka makakapagbigay ng rescue breath, ng ventilation properly if hindi po open ang airway. If a patient, no, has no suspected spinal injury or back injury or neck injury, we can use the what? Head, tail, chin lift technique. Or if may suspected spine injury, you can use the jaw thrust technique. Clear? So dalawa po yung pag-open ng airway natin. Okay? So, if walang suspected spinal injury, okay, so head, tail, chin lift, and then open the mouth. Dapat po makakover mo yung mouth niya dun sa mouth mo. Okay? Then you give blow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pangatlo na, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20. So, 1 breath every 6 seconds, you provide it through mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. Sa totoong buhay, hindi nyo naman talaga yan bibilangin ng malakas. No? Sabi nga ni Doc Joel, application versus theoretical. So dito, kaya kami nagbibilang ng ganon. It doesn't matter kasi meron pang ang way ng 1,001, 1,002, di ba? Meron pang 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. Blow, may ganyan pa. Pero sa totoong buhay, kaya ang ginawa ko na lang is 1 breath every 6 seconds. Nagbilang na lang ako ng 6 para, di ba? Mas clear po. Alam natin